Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. As you know, I had a giveaway on the channel, offered 3 products up. So on today's video, we're going to pick the 3 winners. Good luck to you. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, it is time to go ahead and draw a winner. See the AWSOME X500 giveaway. To keep this honest, do this here. Allow repeat winners. Yeah, I don't think there's a whole lot of, I think, because I don't know, because I had 3 entries, so I'm just going to do that. Draw. Hey, alright, it's our friend KY Chevy in Kentucky. Congratulations, buddy. You won the drone. I will get that in the mail to you. And we have 2 more. Oh, wait a minute. So we have 2 more competitions to go. Good luck to everyone. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, it's time to draw the winner for the RC jet ski. Let's see who it is. Hey, look at that. 2-time winner, KY Chevy. Alright, congratulations, bro. You now have a drone and a jet ski. Alright. Congratulations. We'll get that. I'm gonna wait for all 3 competitions to end, and then we'll send everything out. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, it is time to draw the winner for our last contest, the SEMA RC helicopters. Not even sure what that means. Allow multiple entries from single. I don't know. I didn't do it on the last one, but and we still had KY Chevy for 2. Will he win 3 in a row? I don't even know if he entered, but let's see. Okay, so Jurgen, I think I'm saying that right. Jurgen. He won the helicopter, so I will be emailing you. Get an address to go ahead and mail that too. So congratulations everyone on winning the contest. KY Chevy for 2 and Jurgen for 1. Alright everyone. Okay everyone, so I have to pick a new winner. I emailed the person and I'll put a screenshot up here, and I didn't get an answer, so we have to draw another winner. Well, I don't know. Woohoo! Our friend KY Chevy won all 3 contests. Check that out. Congratulations, KY Chevy. So there you have it. Congratulations, KY Chevy. You won everything. And actually the 3rd one by default, because I didn't hear from the first guy. Now, I know some people might think this is weird. He won everything. There was really only 2 contestants in every contest. And actually, I think he was the only one for one of them. Maybe the jet ski, or I forget which one. He might have been the only one on that one. So it was kind of like a given. I can't select the winners. That's why I do a screenshot, show it. Trust me, a number of years ago, I had an LED headlight giveaway, and he was like, man, I could really use those. I did the drawing. He didn't win it. I was really rooting for him, but I have integrity to my channel and to myself to make sure that I do everything honestly, and I couldn't fudge it because I wanted to give it to somebody that, you know, that I would prefer to have it, because, you know, he's helped me out tremendously. I could have just not done the giveaway and sent him headlights, but, you know, I do it honestly. And, you know, on the headlight giveaway, I actually had a problem getting hold of the person. I contacted them like 3 times, and I don't really start thinking about it. It's not really fair to other people that competed that I keep extending the timeline and keep pushing for the one person to win. You know, if you're going to enter a contest, you need to be responsible and check your email. So this time I sent out 1 email, and I even had the camping trip, so it got even extended past 7 days, which isn't really fair to KY Chevy, because now instead of me having these products mailed out to him, he has to wait because I went on a camping trip and I was waiting to hear from this person. So sorry about that, KY Chevy, but congratulations on winning. I will get these products out in the mail to you. As soon as we hit 10,000 subscribers, I want to do another giveaway, and we're going to give away a new car. So let's like, share, comment. Let's grow the channel. And when I do that contest, please check your emails. It'll come from Car Vlog L to the W, and I'll even put L to the W contest. It's not a scam. It's coming from me. You know, even if you have a question about if an email looks legit, just message me on one of my videos. Hey, did you send me an email? And I can verify it for you. So I'm a pretty easy guy to get a hold of via social media. I'm out there. So, all right, everyone. So there's the contest. Congratulations, KY Chevy. Get these out to you. Everyone, please subscribe if you haven't. Like, shares, comments. Definitely appreciate it. Free of charge. Links down below for some discounts and ways to help the channel out. So thanks for watching. Hope to see you on the next one.